Capcut, one of the best editing softwares, has now become ridiculous that everybody is complaining about how it takes longer to export and also how they are stealing your data and how everything has become pro now. So here are some of the reviews people are giving to Capcut. Some are heart touching and some are even disappointed reviews. So let's read some to you. Okay, so this guy said, at this point, I will not wonder if the next CapCut terms of service be like you don't own any of your content and you work as for free. All the content you create will be copyrighted by CapCut. And this guy literally also said this. He said everything requires buying. So at first, CapCut was good, but slowly they are making everything pro, and we need to buy those to edit. We all have requests. Please stop making everything pro. And also, this guy said he literally gave a topic broken. When you have been editing for long, the colors go black and white. There's some random lines on the edits. I have subscription for this, and this has been a problem. Okay, so let's also read this. This one is a whole paragraph. I'm not gonna read it. If you have time, you can actually read it. You're gonna see it's a whole of saying a lot of things. And also this guy said, reading this gave me a sick feeling in my stomach. It's even worse when you read the new terms of service. Okay. So this guy is the literally why I'm actually recording this video. And he said, tell me an alternative editing tool that is free and that's editing well. Actually. So yeah, CapCut actually have bad things. It came in free. I rushed to CapCut, you rushed to CapCut, we all rushed to CapCut because it came in free and it gives us a lot of options that are suitable for beginner editors and also advanced editors. Right now, they have actually made everything not enjoyable to beginners anymore. So this video, I'm gonna show you 4 of the best video editing software that are true for PC and true for mobile apps. And one of the PCs is one that you have never heard before. I believe 99% of the world population haven't heard of this editing software. One of the things about it is that it's actually gonna give you things after I tell you, you're gonna be like, oh, this is crazy. Why is not everybody telling you? Why is not everybody saying this? Why is everybody keep quiet about that? So watch the video to the end and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, let's get into it. So first, let's talk about Vivavideo. So Vivavideo is one of the best editing software after exploring to give you best editing software for mobile phone. And I find it more, enjoyable for beginner editors, and it's also good for advanced video editors, and it actually gives you a lot of features like AI features, cutout features, background remover, and also voice changer. A lot of features is available on this editing software. A lot of experience using this, and I'm not going deep. I'm just gonna show you what you can do with this. You can actually export in a full 4K, and also you can also export without a watermark, and a lot of features are in pro, and also the pro features are actually what you are going to need as a beginner, or that you're going to need as a beginner, features that are available for you, which is not going to require you to pay or do anything outside. And also, let's get into the second one, which is Inshot. I think you have heard of Inshot. Maybe you haven't given it a try. Inshot is one of the best editing software I've ever found on the media. So Inshot is available on Play Store and App Store as well. Inshot is actually gonna give you a lot of features which actually not gonna require you to pay. With time, if you get to advance, or if you actually get a lot of clients and you want to advance, you can actually just literally go and then pay for that one. But as a beginner, this is one of the best for you, and it's actually gonna cover all what you need, including cutout, voice changer, AI edits, AI cuts, a lot of features that I'm not gonna mention them all. You're just gonna give it a try, and it's basically one of the best editing software in the world. Also, let's talk about DaVinci. Probably DaVinci is one of the editing software for PCBs, and it's not for mobile app, mobile phone. So if you are using computer or laptop, actually, you can actually go to the Google Chrome, or you can actually go to your browser and then search for blackmagic.com, and then you click on that, then you start to download the application. So after you download the application, it has a lot of features. One thing about Blackmagic is that they give you one for free and one for studio. It's just separating. So if you're actually gonna pay for, you need to just go and download the paid version. And if you're going to the free version, you just go to download the free version. And one of the best thing is, even the free version isn't for like only beginners, it's for everybody. Literally, you can do a lot of stuff using that. Just that you're going to take time to do a lot of editing. When you pay, it's gonna be easier and faster. That's the only difference between that. So if you're a beginner, you can actually download the DaVinci Resolve, which is for PC, and it's actually work well. I've tried and I know what I'm saying. It's very, very nice to use. And also, the last one, which is kind of crazy, is VSDC. So this editing software just came after trying to look for the best editing software for, the people out there. And I find it DC is actually one of the best editing software for PC. This is why. So this editing software look like, crunchy, a lot of a lot of tools crumbled in the software interface. But if you actually sit down and go through every single thing about how this actually works, you become more familiar with it. A lot of stuff that you're even going to pay in DaVinci Premiere Pro or other editing software, you are not going to pay. It's actually free, literally free, including everything. It's what Photoshop is actually going to put on layers and a lot of stars. It has it has screen recorder, screen capture. It's actually a great editing software that I'm actually going to tell you right now. And we can actually go out and try on us on that. And all of this are actually every zone software that I've told you. So if you get time, try and put your hands on that. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. But make sure you subscribe to this channel and actually have 163 subscribers. Be part of it. Let's reach 1,000. Thanks for watching.